Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram not login or login issue. First thing you wanna do is just go into the settings in your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you wanna do next is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and after that it will take you into this page. As you can see, all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. Now click on force stop here and go to the storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on data usage, disable all these options and enable them back again. And now go back to the settings, click on wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 6 seconds and after that disable it. That's it guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.